Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and the environment. First, install the Kaggle CLI and secure Kaggle. JSON in the config directory. This lets the CLI authenticate. Once done, open Jupyter in the project folder or activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay contained. Then verify authentication with a quick Kaggle datasets list command. If it returns datasets you're authenticated, this early validation saves time and prevents permission errors later when you try to download files directly. Now download and place the files where Jupyter can access them. Run Kaggle datasets download downer/datasetname path data to get a zip into a data folder. This keeps things organized. In the notebook, import zip file and extract the archive so your pandas read CSV calls point to real files. For larger datasets, you can stream or mount cloud storage. Use Google Drive, Oz S3, or Kaggle kernels to avoid local disk limits. Make sure file names match what you reference in code to prevent file not found error. Finally, load and validate the dataset. You should read files with pandas, specifying parse dates and dtypes to get efficient, correct types, then run head, info, and isnull sums to confirm. If you encounter decoding errors or strange delimiters, try specifying encoding equals UTF-8 or engine equals Python and set sep appropriately. For enormous files, use chunk size to iterate or low memory to avoid mixed types. If something breaks, permission and path mistakes are most common. Reconfirm Kaggle. JSON permissions and the data folder path first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.